in the field, but I went ahead and used the utility for this particular job. Don't have that much left, and I figured she can do it. This is all the hay that got rained on, but I've been flipping it meticulously the past couple of weeks, or days rather, and it's actually all still really dry. No mold either. Should make a nice product. So far, the knotter's working, so hopefully that trend will continue. Well, so far so good. We're about 6 rows in, still rolling. So my plan for this stuff is to try to sell it kind of cheap. I'm going to tarp it up on my trailer and try to have it sold within a week. If not, I'll take her to auction. But honestly, it's not bad looking hay. I guess we'll see. That damn reel keeps jamming up on me. So this tractor doesn't have a live PTO, which means I have to either take it out of gear and shift it, or wait till the flywheel stops in order for it to start rolling. And that poses other issues too, like I can't put the clutch in until that baler's done cycling. So let me get it back into gear the kind of interesting way. Push that down. Select my gear, then that's how it off, pick back up on that, and off we go. Kind of hard to see what I'm doing there, but it keeps everything rolling. So this is a patch of fertilized orchard grass with a little bit of alfalfa mixed in. It actually makes some really, really nice hay. I think my pickup head's too low for as tall as this stuff got while it was drying out. I may try to pick that up. Well, after picking up the feeder, we haven't had as much of an issue, and we're still feeding real nice. So I think that was the key, just getting tangled up in this longer stuff. I still can't get over how fast this stuff's growing back. I cut this only a week ago. Or, sorry, 2 weeks ago. So yesterday went pretty good, but unfortunately I broke a shear bolt on the flywheel for this hay baler. But after running around a little bit, I finally found one to put on here. And of course it's all around here now. It's down in there. So now the next step is going to have to be to unclog this baler, which it isn't too bad. I just have to kind of fish in there and get that stuff out. And then we'll be back in business and we're going to finish the day up. I'll pick up the last of the bales and head on home. Alright, here we are, the very last windrow of the field. Let's see how she does. So good. all done. Now we got to cut all this, probably in the next week or so. Auto steer, auto schmear. Got to get these bales up somehow. Working pretty good. Almost done. So all said and done, we're back home, and that was a successful baling operation. Now just to move this stuff over here and we'll be golden. So next one's going to be probably baling up the other stuff. That's going to be in about a week or two. And I did just contract another 3-ish acres. It's still a bit thinner stuff, but it's going to be good stuff. And we're going to get that taken care of as well. So stay tuned, because there's a lot of baling coming up. I tell you, it's not the most relaxing work, but it sure is rewarding. So good looking stuff here. Gotta love it. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. Tune in for the next one. This has been Stuck in the Past. You guys have a great day.